look. We welcome all of you guys. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This box of subscribe, click it for you to get those new videos when we do videos for you guys. Okay. We'll like to thank all of you guys who are following us on TradingView. We say thank you. Hope you are gaining experience while you are learning from how we are tackling the market. Okay. Hope you did trade well the past week, and hope you will trade well the coming week. Okay. Hope even this pandemic is treating you well, keeping you at home so that you can learn more tricks on the market or charts. We'd like you to be safe all the time. Remember to wash your hands, keep the distance. That is a cure for now, guys. Okay. Hope you'll understand why the government is always telling us that we should be distancing from others, not doing more of activities that are unnecessary to do just to please people. Try to keep home and safe so that it's going to pass, guys. Okay, so we should be patient. As traders, we know the patient game, so we'll use it for this COVID-19. We'll get back. Let's go back to our weekly forecast, guys. Okay. We'll show you our YouTube channel. This is our link that you can share with other traders. Okay, guys, on YouTube channel. This is our Twitter, and then we post charts here. We post updates for you. So if you want to follow us on Twitter, this is the link that you should click on. Okay, guys. We'll go straight to what we are here for. Today's weekly forecast, we're going to show you these currency pairs. We call them USDs. USDs pairs, okay, that we are on watch list for us. Then if you want any currency pair or any indexes, commodities, stock, inbox us on TradingView so that we can analyze that chart and see what direction is heading. Okay, guys, so we're going to focus on this 4 currency pairs. Okay, we're going to start with Euro USD. Euro USD on monthly. Remember that we are having this pattern, guys. We are still in this pattern, this roof of ours. Okay, this is our flow. It's our flow, this one. Okay, guys, so when times goes, we're going to get this run or this wave. Okay, but at the moment we are still stuck on this pattern. This pattern is either going to give us one more up here to come and test 1.29, then we'll be looking to sell again to come to this flow. Okay, but at the moment we're going to figure out this pattern, right? On monthly, we are having this impulse. The impulse that we are having is followed by a correction, right? From this correction, we were looking at this roof for us to come and take this low. Okay, then we can go up the wave that we are waiting for, the big wave that we are waiting for. So at the moment, the market has moved slowly, 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 slowly. So these signals to give us one more up to come and take this highs. Okay, then we'll be looking for a down move there. It's going to be a similar like this one, guys. We are waiting for 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3. Then we'll be taking our low. So at the moment it's not going fastly. Then we'll shift to a lower time frame so that you can see what the pattern is doing there. Okay, right, let me remove all the drawings there so that we can be clear on this one. I want to show you what the market is doing. We'll focus on this one. Okay, guys, right, we are still in this range after this impulse. Okay, so at the moment the market is either going to give us one more low. Here is what we are expecting next week, because on our last outlook we predicted this low, that watch for this kind of price action. We were looking for a down move there. Okay, that down move happened. So now what we are expecting a correction here for us to come and take this low. Okay, then after this low we'll be looking to go up again, then down again. We'll be having such pattern, guys. It's 1, it's 2, 3. Then expect a similar length of trend line there. Okay, so what to do next week as we are in this range? Look this pattern. Are we going to bounce here, then up, then down? It's another pattern that I'm showing you guys. So this is our watch point price. Okay, this watch point price, it has to bounce here or either come and test this low, then we're going to look for buys there. Okay, but if we don't see buy here, we expect it to come on this low. We expect this price to be tagged. Okay, right, at the moment what we predict, we are still on this watch, same length of this one to come and take. So for you guys next week, you're going to look for sales on Euro USD. Okay, look for sales. We don't see any buy setups. We don't see any buy setup unless it's going to give us a good price action on lower time frame. Okay, unless it's going to give us a good price action on lower time frame. So we'll shift to a 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, what we are expecting here, guys, we'll be expecting for a market to correct here, to give us one more low here, then up, let me make it clear for you. Let me make it clear for you guys so that you can see what I am talking about here. Right. What we are looking for, this correction to finish, then we get 61.8, okay? Then we'll be looking for a completion of this same length, okay guys? We'll be looking for a correction. It's a kind of deeper correction that we are expecting there, okay guys? So if you don't see, you'll watch for a buy there and manage your trade up until a 61 of Fibonacci. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you took a buy here, guys, if you take a buy from here on this low, manage your trade and watch 61.8, okay, for your take profit. Or this can come and correct here again, then come and test our roof here, then we'll be looking for a down move there, okay? So I'm showing you two ways to trade Euro USD, okay? It's either you're going to watch for a correction here, then you take a trade here on a breakout, or take a trade on lower time frame where you're going to see a price action that is good, okay? Then manage your trade, manage your trade, manage your trade. Then your take profit should be here. If you don't want to take a take profit on 61.8, then you should manage your trade by putting your stop loss following the price in a good way. Then you'll be waiting for a break here, then or a correction for us to come and take this roof, okay, of 1.10. It's our target if you're going to buy all the way up until to this roof. Then from there, you'll be waiting for a similar like this one, okay? Similar like this one. We'll be waiting to sell from top here, from the roof, okay? It's what you are going to do on Euro USD, guys. Let's go to lower time frame and see what is it doing there. Let me remove the Fibonacci, okay? Let me not remove it. So here, you'll be taking moving slowly here, then watch for a break on lower time frame for you to buy on a breakout, put a stop here behind, then watch this price, okay? This price, we should get another correction, then we go to 110, okay? It's what you going to do on Euro USD. Then if you want to shift to a lower time frame for you to be clear on patterns, let's go to 30 minutes. Then 30 minutes also, it's giving us this price. At the moment, we'll be waiting for this to touch, then we'll be having the price here, action, buy the breakout, put a stop here, then you go to 110. Okay, guys, it's what we are expecting here. Look for buys. Small buy, then you manage your trade that will maybe move to 110. If not 110, then you'll be watching, remember the Fibonacci 61, okay? Fibonacci 61, that will be your target if you want to buy and take profit. Going to buy and take profit here. Okay, then you'll wait for a correction to buy again. But if you see that the market is aggressive, just move your stops in a good way, then wait for 110 for take profit, guys. Okay, trade well on Euro USD. Thank you. See on pound, dollar, what we're going to see there. Okay, right. The bigger time frame, we got this big engulfing, candle. Okay, this big engulfing candle, this one. We got this big engulfing candle. So at the moment, we are having this big pattern that we are in building at. Okay, so we might get something like this on pound dollar. We might come here for us to be deeper, because if we take our Fibonacci, the Fibonacci shows that our engulfing 61 level, it's here. So it will take more time for a pound dollar to reach these highs. Okay, we will struggle on this price for some time now. If you get those buys, take those buys and be careful, because we are not going for a far buy, okay, at the moment, because we are having this kind of price action. This price action is not a good buy for us, okay, guys? We are not seeing a good buy here. So next week on pound dollar, we are looking to sell next week. We are looking to sell next week, guys. This is not clear on daily, but I will show you what we are looking for, why we are looking for a sell there, okay? Right. We are having this impulse. We are still in a range pattern that is forming, okay? So we expect a market to come and take this low, this floor of ours, okay? Right. If we are expecting this floor, we are not anticipating a buy setup move for next week. We'll be looking for a sell setup. Always sell setup, guys, okay? So this sell setup is going to guide us on lower time frame. So on lower time frame, we are having a deeper correction, okay? This deeper correction, when we take our Fibonacci and put it here, we get a 61 level here, okay? So this level is important to us. Why is it important? Because we are expecting a sell here, okay? For us to come and take this 1.22, okay, guys? So next week on pound dollar, we'll be watching sales opportunities only. We don't see buy there, guys, okay? As we said on our previous outlook, that we are looking for a sell on this pattern, okay? We were looking to sell there. So for us to come and take this low, we got this correction, but it was not big. Then we are having a big correction for us to take us to the low that we are wanting there. Okay, so let's shift to 1 hour. Right, on 1 hour, we'll be having such pattern like this. Okay, the channel pattern. So at the moment, we got this 1, 2, 3, then we went up. So now the market is correcting again for us to come and take this roof of ours. Then from this roof, we'll be waiting for a aggressive move, then take a trade here. But if you want to take a trade from the roof, you'll wait for a bounce here, then on lower time frame, look for an aggressive move there, then correction, take a trade, break, correction, break, correction, then you'll be having this kind of price action. Okay, guys, on pound dollar is what we are expecting there, guys. Okay, only sell opportunities that you are waiting for. If you want to buy this one, you can buy and wait for this roof to be tapped for your take profit, then look for sales starting from that roof. Starting from this price, you'll be looking to sell. Okay, guys? Once the price will broke to this, from this roof and broke here, any new high is going to give us selling opportunities on lower time frame, guys. Okay, so you'll be trading when on pound dollar looking for sales. We are looking for sales on NZD, USD, Euro USD, looking for sales. Then we're looking for buy after sales. Okay, so we are not seeing any buy. We are still continuing with our sales that we started. So it's us as Rev Daily Traders, and if you are following us on Rev Daily Traders Trading View, then you should be on sales. You should be on sales, guys, because we did publish this kind of let me show you. We did publish this kind of okay, just leave it. We did publish this kind of move that we'll be looking for a sell opportunity from this roof. Okay, we started here, then we waited up until we get a break. It was not aggressively, but we were managing our trades here. Okay, so we got this correction for us to break. We are having another correction. Okay, so for now, as this took us on break even this trade, not this one. We are still on the one that we took on a lower time frame from top, but this one we are out on it because it broke up until our level here. Okay, so now we're going to enter again on the same level here for us to go there. Okay, it is not a loss, it's just a break-even trade. Okay, guys, trade well on pound dollar. Move to Aussie USD. Okay, on Aussie USD, we were looking at this engulfing candle. Then we were expecting a correction here for us to take us up. So what we got here, we got a small correction that was not expected by Rev Daily Traders. Then it's broke with a big candle that encalves this red candle that shows that buyers are strong. Okay. Then this big candle broke our RS. This RS means if it's broke, we should get a support, then we move up again. Okay. So now what we'll be expecting will go to a lower time frame. Let's see on daily what we are having there. Okay. So at the moment, we are having this kind of price. It's impulse, then we got a small correction, then it's broke. Now we are having a big correction that we should figure out that is it ready to go up, because this up move is the one that we are expecting. Okay, but don't wrap off of this one, because we should get this down wave move so that we can complete our 1, 2, 3. Okay, right, we will show you how to look or how to trade on Aussie dollar. Okay, for next week we'll shift to 4 hour. Right, on 4 hour we were expecting this price to break on this pattern that we got. Okay, we bought here, then we manage a trade because we were expecting a bounce here to go down again. So now what we got a break, not an aggressive break, but we did manage to get out on this one. Okay, because we moved our stops right after the break. So after the break, we got these candles, then it moved up until here, then it turns. We thought this one is going to give us a down move. So it took us with this candle, this pin bar is the one that took us out. Okay, so now what we are waiting for again, we are still looking for a sell opportunity. Okay, so this double top, this M, we are expecting. Okay, as this one is W, that is broke to this one. Okay, right, how are you going to trade this next week? We are having impulse, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. Okay, and expanding pattern so that we can get one more down move. So if you want to trade this, let this to come and test this roof here, then look for impulse, then correction below that pattern, then take a trade, wait for another one, take a trade up until 0.6304. Okay, this is our target, but you can manage your trade after taking this one. Okay, after taking this one, you'll manage your trade. Okay, guys, so after taking this one, manage and see whether we are breaking with the aggressive candle to come and join to this one. Okay, we are expecting this price to be 10 on Aussie dollar. Then after, we're going to have, let's go to for H1. H1, It's giving us a slow move here, okay? Starting to move slowly. We are waiting for such correction to happen, then we'll be waiting for a correction to take us down, okay? So you'll be waiting with a sell limit. If the price comes here, you'll be selling limit here. But now, for now, you can sell limit here. Or if the price comes this one to this price and take you, then we'll wait for another correction and add to the position so that you can look for sales, okay? So all these pairs we will be looking to sell. All these pairs will be looking to sell, okay? Hope guys you enjoy our video. Hope you're going to get more learning by listening to us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos when we post, okay guys? Remember to take care for yourself, for your next person. Trade with care. Remember to not be scared of candles. If you draw that pattern, stick to that pattern that you draw or see, and wait for it that is going to happen, okay? Because if you follow candles, you're going to be misled by the candles, okay? Those if you see a strong candle and say, wow, we're going down, then the market will go up, then you say, wow, I don't know the forex, okay? So I will say to you, listen to your mentors, listen to your, don't follow emotions, don't trade up with emotions. Someday I will do a video on emotions, on how you can handle those emotions, okay? Thank you guys. Hope you'll trade well on this USD pairs, okay? Thank you guys. NZUSD. Right, on NZUSD, we are still in a correction, okay guys? But that correction is not moving towards upside like we trading for upside for long term, okay? Sooner it's going to crash and go and come downside, okay? Let me show you what we are looking for here. We are looking for a correction, a bigger correction, so that can take us up there, okay? At the moment, we are figuring out what the market is doing there, okay? It can be there for quite some time, can take months. It's either NZD, USD, it will be waiting for a COVID-19 something magic that is going to take this up, okay? So what you can look for next week on NZD, USD, guys. Remember that we were looking for a bigger flat here. We were looking for a bigger flat here, guys, for us to come and take this high, okay? So at the moment, the market has turned again with a strong candle there, okay? So what we need to do there, we are still in this channel that is building, okay? So what we are expecting on NZD USD next week, Let's shift to a lower time frame so that you can see what we are expecting there. Right. Lower time frame, we got this 1, 2, 3. It's a pattern on its own. Then you should get the same length of this impulse from here to go straight up there. Okay. So we didn't get that as straight as we wanted. Okay. The market is building patterns inside. Okay, guys. So now what we are expecting right now, this impulse will be having, we expect a correction to come and take this flow of ours. Then we'll be looking to go up again, guys. Okay. Then our target, if we buy here, it's going to be a 0.63 for us to take profit there. Then we'll be looking to sell up until this price. Okay. So at the moment, we'll be watching this price very carefully. Next week, what you need to do, you go to a 30 minutes. 30 minutes. It's giving us this kind of pattern, guys. Okay. This kind of pattern, it's a reversal pattern. It shows that buyers are not that strong. Okay. So the market will come and test this price. Then we'll be looking for buy a sell there. Okay. So a correction is needed for a confirmation, or you can sell the breakout. The market can turn here, guys. Okay. But we don't see that. If it's going to give you a sell, it's going to be a short sell, then it's going to give you one more up to come and test this price, then look for a sell from the roof. Okay. So we will say for next week, we are not seeing any buy to start with. We'll be focusing on sells only. Okay. Sells only. A correction there for you to take a trade. Watch this big RS, monthly RS, for a bounce or a break below. Then you'll be waiting for a correction to confirm sell again. Okay. But if we get this bounce from here on this monthly RS, we'll be waiting for a correction. We'll close our sells here. Then we'll be looking to buy up until this roof. Okay. That is NZUSD. We'll be looking to sell, then look for buy on the RS if it's going to bounce there. Okay, guys. Then let's shift to a lower time frame, 15 minutes, and see what the 15 minutes is giving us. Okay. 15 minutes also, we'll be looking for this to break with a limit there, or the market is going to give us one more up there to come and test this roof. Then we'll be selling again here. If you want to get a confirmation, wait for a correction there, then you sell and manage your trade. Watch this flow of ours if we're going to get a reversal there. Okay. If not a reversal, then you'll be waiting for a break under this RS. Then you correct there. Then you take a sell. Okay. So we don't see any buy at the moment. For next week, you're going to sell NZD USD. Okay, guys.